The Darner backpack comes in two different sizes. These are both size small and this one's size large. I designed this backpack because I was looking for a backpack that could fit a standard size notebook, a folder, and possibly a laptop, and I think this certainly fits the bill. Either size backpack is a really great use of a panel print, which is what I've done with this particular bag. And I've got my notebook and my folder on the inside. Let me show you all of the features of this particular bag. So it's got that great three-dimensional front pocket. The corners of the backpack are boxed, providing a little bit of extra width. And then these are what the adjustable straps look like on the back. So inside the backpack, there's two different pockets. There's a padded slip pocket, and there's also a zipper pocket on the other side. I've got my laptop right here. This particular laptop is about 14 inches by 9 inches. And here's the large Darner backpack, and let me show you how it fits nicely inside. There's a little bit of extra room with this particular size of laptop, so if you have one that's a little bit larger, there's the option for it to fit inside as well. And this is just a really great everyday or work backpack.